Hello and good day. Welcome back to our class. This is teacher Onin Guzman and our topic for today is methods of gathering statistical data. This is the module 3 of grade 7 for quarter number 4. In gathering statistical data, remember that data is a collection of packs of information, such that data gathering is defined as the procedure of collecting, measuring, and analyzing accurate packs or information using standard validated techniques. Also, collection of data is an important part of statistics. Finally, we can say that data should be collected in a manner that they are accurate and convenient to use. Let's move on to the methods in gathering data. So the first one is conducting surveys. So there are two types of surveys. The first one is the interview method. We can use either face-to-face or online method. Again, it is done when a person gathers information from another person. So the person collecting the data is called the interviewer, while the individual giving the data is the interviewee. The second type of conducting survey is questionnaire method. Again, we can do this one either face-to-face or online method. So it is advisable if the survey requires a series of questions, which the interview method will be very slow to use. Our example, we have here the customer satisfaction survey questionnaire. So there are 5 choices. 5 stands for excellent, 4 for good, 3 for neutral, 2 is somewhat satisfied, and 1 is needs improvement. So again, so the customer will simply encircle or tick in for their corresponding answer. Now, if we will combine the interview as well as the questionnaire method, we call this one as census. So example for this one is the relief operations during the national calamities or pandemic. So example, the government would like to know what other help that they can give to the affected people. So let's move on to the second method of gathering data, which is observing the outcome of events. So observing the outcome of events is usually used by behavioral scientists who are primarily concerned with the behavior of either an individual or a group of individuals. So the data are gathered either individually or collectively by means of observation. So we have the investigator or researcher. It means it is the person who gathers the data, while the subject it is the person being observed. For our example, so the researcher would like to know the number of motor vehicles during dismissal of classes. Let's move on to the third method in gathering data. So that is taking measurements in experiment. Whenever you demand to measure in order to collect data in an experiment, this method is applied. So you need to measure the needed mass in grams of fertilizer if they are effective in producing more fruits. Another example is you need to measure the amount in kilograms of plastics in enhancing concrete slabs. And for the third example is you need to take measurements of chemical in milliliters needed in order to convert manure of carabaos as a material for producing paper. Let's move on to the fourth method in gathering data. So that is reading statistical publication. So reading statistical publication is advised if you need to consult record of or history in order to gather data in shortest possible time. So, example for this one is the total number of voters in last 2019 election. Another example is the total number of families affected by the typhoon last 2020. Last one is the total number of vaccinated citizens for COVID-19 this 2021. To summarize our discussion on gathering statistical data, so here are the 4 methods of gathering data. So first one is conducting survey. There are 2 types of conducting survey, either by interview or by questionnaire. Number 2 is observing the outcomes of events. Number 3 is taking measurements in experiments. And number 4 is reading statistical publications. So again, that ends our discussion on gathering statistical data. This is Teacher Oni de Guzman. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified about my new videos. Thank you.